Good morning, students. This is Shivani Kumari here, your teacher of English, and I will start or continue the chapter 5. Okay. So, in the previous video, we have discussed about the chapter 5, in which we studied about the describing words, in short, adjectives. Okay. So, in the previous video, I have completed that chapter, but now in today's video, I will give you some important exercises or some important exercises you have to do in your notebook. Okay, so these exercises are very important for you guys. It will come into your UT1s or exams. Okay, now this is chapter 5. Describing words. So what is describing words? A word that tell us more about a naming word is called describing words. Okay, वैसे शब्द वैसे वर्ड जो कि हमें नेमिंग वर्ड्स के बारे में और डिटेल्स देते हैं, उन्हें और डिस्क्राइब करके बताते हैं, हम उन वर्ड को डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स बोलते हैं. So describing word is an adjective and the naming word is noun here. So in the first exercise we have choose the correct describing words. Words to fill in the blanks. To fill in the blanks. Okay, so this is the heading. In this, what we have to do we have to choose the suitable describing words to fill the blanks. Here is the first number. Rollo. Rollo is a dash clown. So in the option we have, I have to write the option first. First option is funny, round, 3, small. Okay, so we have already done that this kind of exercise in the last of that video. Okay, because this is also from your book, but I have just twisted the question for you guys to do in your notebook. Okay, so it will not show very lengthy or very hard to you. Rollo is a dash clown, and I think you guys already know the answer here. Okay, Rollo shirt has dash buttons. Number 3, Rollo rides a small tricycle. Number 4, Rollo has dash balloons. Okay, so and I think you guys already know the story of Rollo. Rollo is a funny clown because we have a comprehension in the last of the exercise, and in that comprehension we have a short story about the Rollo, a funny clown. So what's the name of a clown? Rollo. He was a funny clown. He always rides a tricycle, a small tricycle. He has round buttons on his shirts, and he also has some balloons in his hands. Okay, so we have some questions related to that clown. So the first is Rollo is dash clown. Means Rollo क्या था, फनी और सैड क्लाउन, तो वो फनी क्लाउन था. तो Rollo is funny clown. A Rollo shirt has dash buttons, means square buttons, round buttons. So in the story, we already know that Rollo shirt has round buttons, and in the option we also have a round in option. So Rollo shirt has round buttons. Third number, Rollo rides a tricycle. So Rollo always rides a small tricycle at circus. Okay, so यहाँ पे होगा small. Okay. Rollo has balloons. So we already know from the story that Rollo has 3 balloons in his hands. But in the option we had 10 or 3. So we have to choose 3. Okay. So this is the exercise number 1 you have to do in your copy. Okay, जो ऑप्शन वाला था कि फनी वर्सेस सैड एंड द 3 वर्सेस 10, वो वाला आपको अपनी बुक में ही करके रखना है, बट यू हैव टू डू दिस टाइप ऑफ this exercise in your notebook. Okay, let's move on to the next exercise. So what we have in the next exercise, we have circle the describing words. Circle the describing words in the sentences. In the sentences, okay. So the first number. What we have to do, let me tell you the meaning of this heading. Circle the describing words in the sentences. In the first one, we just have to choose the describing word, and in this we have to circle the describing word in the sentence. Okay, so let's start. This is a big red ball. This is our first sentence. Number 2. This is a chocolate This is a chocolate cake. Number 3. This is little green. Number 4. Elephant. Elephant is a huge animal. Number 4. Sophie has a pretty doll. Number 6. Charles is a naughty boy. Naughty boy. Number 7. Anisha is a good dancer. Anisha is a good dancer. Number 8. The last one. The coffee is hot. The coffee is hot. So this is the last one. Now let's understand. Circle the describing words in the sentences. Here we have total 8 sentences, and in that sentences